Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this Origami 7-pointed star container. It's got a 7-pointed star, and on this side it's a heptagon. And yeah, and if you look closely on the inside, it's got two colors in the inside, half gold and half white. And this is a variation of this model that I taught last week here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this one. And so here we go. So I folded this model from a sheet of this foil that I got for my birthday a couple years back. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to fold it from a 6-inch square origami. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up, and we're not folding in half, we're going to fold thirds. So you want to fold it so this is equal to this. It doesn't need to be perfect, just estimate it. And you can go ahead and increase sharply. Okay, now rotate. Oh, by the way, I made a YouTube short of this model recently, right here. So click right here for the YouTube short if you want to learn it from there. Alright, and now take this raw edge and fold it up just a little bit. It's not that important, but about like this is good. And then fold it up one more time, right over the edge. Okay, increase sharply, and unfold that. Leave this folded. Okay, rotate, and we're going to fold this into 8. So first fold in half. Okay, and now fold to the crease. Okay, and now fold to the last crease. Unfold, and now fold to this crease. Keep this one folded for now. Rotate, and fold this edge to here. Okay, unfold, and now fold to the nearest crease. Alright, unfold. Now, rotate. And now we're going to do, we're going to take this edge and fold it to this crease, but you really just need to make a pinch mark. Right there. And same on this side. So fold to the crease and just make a pinch mark. Right there. Okay. And now fold up in between the two pinch marks. And hold this down so it doesn't slide. Okay. Alright, now unfold. And now we're going to do is we're going to divide this strip right here into 16. So we're going to divide these squares in half. So let's start with this one. So we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to here. And only crease just on this segment. And you want to repeat that going all the way up. So we're just folding all these squares on this strip in half. Like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. Alright, unfold. And now we're going to do is we're going to make some diagonal folds. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal fold. I'm just going to just draw it in so it's easier to see. Okay, and I'm going to do this one too. Alright. So we're going to make a diagonal valley fold from there to there. I drew the line right there. So here we go. And it's best to look at it from this side too, to make sure you're going right to the crease. There we go. Alright, now we're going to make a series of them going all the way across. So skip that unit and go to the next one. So you want to lift up this crease. Making a mountain fold. And you want to just take the crease and you want to pivot it like this. So that way you can make that fold. So we're making a valley fold in between there and there, right along that line. And it's best to look at it from this side too, to make sure you're going right to the crease. Okay. And there we go. And just keep doing that all the way across. So skip this segment and go to the next one. So just lift that crease up and do the same thing. Alright, I'm going to fast forward this part. Alright. And now we got all the pre-creases done. Now it's ready to collapse. So let's go ahead and just make all these pleats here. Like this. And now we're going to do is we're going to make this pleat here, like that, and pinch this corner. And you want to take this corner and you want to tuck it into this pocket. Like that, until those corners meet right there. So we're overlapping one segment. And then once you got it, you can take this raw edge and fold it in on both of those creases. And this is what locks it. Alright, so we fold it in once, and now fold it in one more time. That's why I did it twice, so that way when we fold it in twice, it really locks it. And then make these corners of the heptagon. Okay. And there's the container. And let's kind of close off the bottom so it's open. So you can just take your finger and just rearrange those flaps that you see in there. So we're making those pleats in there too by rearranging the flaps, and that closes it off. Okay, just do your best. It's not gonna be completely sealed, but that's okay. There we go. That's what it should look like. Alright, there. That's good enough. There's going to be a little opening on the bottom, and that's okay. Alright, so if you like it like this, then you're done, but if you want to make it into a 7-pointed star, I'm sure you know how to do that, but just in case, we want to take these segments, and I'm going to start here on this thick one. So take 2 points, bring them together, and just pinch it. Just pinch right there. Alright, and you want to do that all the way across, or all the way around. So bring 2 corners together and just make a pinch mark right in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright. And just shape it to taste, and there's the 7-pointed star. So yeah, I think it's cool that it has the dual colored inside to it. It's half colored and half white. You see that? And yeah, and of course the container, you can put stuff inside. This is the new street light that I designed recently, and I'll teach this pretty soon. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say except it's a really cool model. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to fold this, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.